Do you have a roof leak? You thinking about putting a tarp on the roof? I want to show you an alternative product you can use that is a lot easier and it doesn't look as ugly as having a tarp on your roof. This video is more of a review and how to apply this product. I also strongly suggest watching my other video, link in the description below, on how to find and stop a roof leak with a much cheaper product before using this. This should be your last resort. With that being said, let's get to it. This product is called Through the Roof. It's a clear product so it doesn't look as bad as a tarp on the roof. To apply it, use a throwaway acid brush. Make sure you try to get it under the shingle and in the joints. Pour it on the area where you think is leaking. You want to brush it upward. This way it will get under the shingle. 1 gallon covers about 12 square feet. You'll see it look like snot running down. Just keep brushing it upward. It won't take long before it starts drying and staying put. So I did this whole area right here. This was the area that was leaking inside. I went inside and saw where it was leaking, went outside and looked on the roof on where it could be leaking. Usually I look for a nail or a bullet hole, but that's not the case. This roof is just in bad shape. Look here, you can see the fibers in the shingle. That's a sign that it's time to replace the shingles. This is just a temporary fix until it does get replaced. This is what it looks like after it dries. I used this in this area a while ago and the leak stopped. In this area, you can see where I used it before too. This is where I just applied it. You can see it looks wet. See the difference in the colors? Before, wet, and after. See how it dries? It dries to like a rubber membrane type. It seals up all the joints. When you're done, throw the brush away. Now let me know what you think about this product in the comments below. That's it for this video though. If you want to see my other cool ideas, check out my channel and hit that like, bell, and subscribe button for me. Until next time, peace.